Welcome to my channel. It's time to go camping again. Going down the south coast. I'm gonna go to 2 camps. Welcome to my channel, and it's time to go camping again. I'm going down the south coast. Gonna go to 2 different campsites. Enjoy this video. I got to Scottsboro. It's overcast, but it's pretty warm here. Definitely a lot warmer than up in Hillcrest. The roads weren't too bad. Traffic was also not too bad. But surprise, surprise, when I got down here, load shedding. And they've got load shedding 3 times a day. Luckily I've got a gas stove, so I've made my cup of tea. Now the thing is to really seriously start thinking about solar, to keep the food and the drinks cold. Chat again later. Yeah, same site as what I was at last time. I like the site. Right on the beach. There's no tree for protection for sun, but I don't mind. I'd rather be close to the beach. Site 19 at Scottsboro Caravan Park. Looking forward to a couple of days of chilling out here. What a stunning day it turned out to be. Not a cloud in the sky, a little bit of a breeze, and the weather has changed a lot since yesterday and from this morning. This morning it was pretty chilly. Well, for Durban it was, and it's warmed up pretty nice. But guess what? Load shedding 3 times a day, up to 4.5 hours. What a joke.